Are you searching for dependable IT solutions in Naples? Look no further than Naples IT Consulting Service, where expertise meets convenience. We offer professional IT consulting services tailored to meet your specific needs. Whether you're a homeowner or a business in Naples, Florida, our team is ready to assist you. Our specialists excel in diagnosing and resolving IT issues. From setting up networks to repairing computers, we provide comprehensive solutions to ensure your technology functions seamlessly. For businesses, we deliver cutting-edge network solutions to keep operations smooth. Home users facing slow computers or Wi-Fi issues? We offer on-site repairs for your convenience. Why choose Naples IT Consulting Service? We offer local expertise, convenient on-site visits, and fast, reliable service. Our commitment is to make your IT experience hassle-free. As the trusted IT consulting company in Naples, we handle everything from quick fixes to full-scale system overhauls. Our certified professionals focus on delivering results you can rely on. Don't let IT problems slow you down. Contact Naples IT Consulting Service today at 239-421-8187 or visit naplesitconsultingservice.com. Let us simplify your IT needs.